This is all information that anybody out there with a private practice who has ever hired a therapist knows how to do. What is going on, guys? This is crazy. So I'm sitting outside. This is like my dream. I think almost 5 years ago, I had a vision of being able to work outside, getting a little sun on my face, working on my laptop right here. And so I'm making my dream a reality. Um, First, thank you so much for joining me. I want to share an idea. You guys know I like to share a lot of ideas. I throw out a lot of content. So earlier today, I shared a screenshot of one of my digital products. It's a video course, a video tutorial teaching therapists how to go through the enrollment process to become a contracted provider with Medicare. It takes you through each screen on PICOS from start to finish. It explains a couple scenarios for OTs, PTs, SLPs. It's got some bonus content. So if you're trying to reassign benefits for an employee to your business, it covers some of that. And it talks about the Medicare INA system. So this is all information that anybody out there with a private practice who has ever hired a therapist knows how to do exactly what I did. The difference between what I did and everybody else out there is I recorded the process. I put it on a digital platform and I made it available to the people who didn't understand the process, right? In my Facebook post, I basically said, look, I know stuff and I know stuff that other people want to know. So I put the stuff that I know into a digital platform so that you, the people who want to know the stuff, can pay for it. And you're paying a fraction of the value, right? You're paying $20 to buy this digital video tutorial that walks you through the enrollment process that would normally cost $200, $250 to hire somebody to do for you, that makes you a contracted Medicare provider, which allows you to create a six-figure business in 12 months. Like a $20 investment translates into a six-figure business in 12 months. I have no problem charging 20 bucks for that digital course. Um, and that course now is putting an extra 200 bucks a month on average in my bank account. So my point in recording this is I know you know stuff. You know stuff about all sorts of things, not just therapy related. And I know that the stuff that you know would help other people if you can just make it available to them. It's not cost effective for a person to call you for a one-on-one coaching call to learn this stuff from you every single time. So what I want to do for you is show you the steps in the process, how to take the stuff from inside your brain, your experience, your knowledge, put it into a digital platform, make it available for sale, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, up to $50. And start creating this little digital asset so that if this one course for me is generating $200 a month, that essentially is two fewer patient visits I would have to do to make the same money. If I'm a staff therapist, that's 4 hours of my life a month that I'm saving from this one digital course. I think the greatest gift, the greatest contribution I make to the profession, I can never teach you how to be a better clinician, but I can make you a better clinician by showing you how to earn more money without having to treat more patients, right? Stop trading time for dollars, allow you to make the income you need to make while treating fewer patients, which allows you by default to spend more time, to put more focus, more thought, more energy into those patient visits. If you are doing 40, 50, 60 visits a week, maybe I can get you to do 20 or 30 visits a week, but you put the same intensity and the same passion into those 20 or 30 visits. So if any of that sounds appealing to you, sounds interesting to you, I want to teach probably a 1 hour, totally free, no opt-in, no collect your email, no pitch at the end, a totally free tutorial showing you exactly how to go through the steps in the process of coming up with the idea, putting it in a digital format that somebody else can buy, and making it available for purchase. The Thinkific platform is totally free. The only fee that you would pay is the payment processing when somebody actually buys what it is that you made. So if you guys are interested, I know I've made this available before. I've shared these videos before. Every time I share it, it gets better. I learn more efficiencies. I get better at the process. So whatever I'm doing, probably by the end of this week or next, it's going to be better than the thing that I did about a year ago. So let me know. Post in the comments, yes, you're interested, and I'll be sure to tag you when I release the full length video tutorial. Guys, as always, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the night. Thanks for watching.